Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is making a horrible grinding noise, it's likely due to wear and tear on the internal components, often related to the blade assembly. If left unaddressed, this issue could lead to more severe damage, rendering your device unusable and potentially costly to repair. The sooner you resolve it, the better for your machine's longevity. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement blade assembly, and a pair of tweezers. Start by ensuring your Thermomix is unplugged to prevent any electrical hazards. Carefully turn the device upside down and remove the base screws using the Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base to expose the internal components. You should now be able to locate the blade assembly, which is usually situated at the bottom. Inspect the assembly for any visible damage or wear. If you notice that the blades are dull or the assembly is loose, it's time for a replacement. To remove the blade assembly, you may need to disconnect a few wires carefully, so take your time. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it out of its housing without damaging any surrounding components. Be cautious with the wires, they can be delicate. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old assembly is out, take your replacement blade assembly and place it in the same position as the old one. Ensure it fits snugly into the housing, and reconnect any wires you had previously disconnected, making sure they are secure. After everything is in place, replace the base cover and screw it back on tightly. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and test it to ensure the grinding noise has stopped and that it operates smoothly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly clean your Thermomix after each use, checking for any food particles that might obstruct the blades. Additionally, consider using your device within its recommended limits, as overloading can lead to premature wear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.